Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to talk about covering your syllabus. As you all know, every new session starts with syllabus, so without wasting any time, let's get started. Today's video is part of our Study Success series. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our videos. This is the first episode of the series, and today we'll cover the ways to complete your syllabus quickly and effectively. So if you want to finish your syllabus faster than anyone else, then this video is just for you. To begin with, let's have a look at the table of contents. We'll be discussing three main points: planning, time management, and smart study techniques. So make sure to watch this video till the end to learn everything. Now let's discuss how you can cover your full syllabus easily. The first thing you need to do is plan. Planning will give you clarity of what needs to be done and when it needs to be done. So in order to plan, break down your syllabus into small parts. Don't think about completing the whole syllabus at once. Divide it into weeks or even days. Doing this will give you an idea of what you need to achieve in a day, a week, and so on. You'll also feel less anxious and more in control. Once you've divided your syllabus, make a timetable. Make sure to allocate enough time for each subject according to the number of chapters in a subject. It's also important to keep some buffer time. Keep in mind that things don't always go as planned. Unexpected things can happen, so having some buffer time will help you to compensate for it. If you're not someone who likes making timetables, then make a list of the topics you have to finish instead. Now that you've planned, let's move on to the second point: time management. Managing your time effectively will help you finish your syllabus in time. So first of all, keep in mind the amount of time you have before your exams. Once you know the number of days, divide the number of topics you have to cover by the number of days you have before your exams. This will give you an idea of how many topics you have to complete per day. Next, study in short chunks. Instead of cramming, study in short sessions of 40 to 50 minutes followed by a 10-minute break. Doing this will help your brain to stay active and will prevent burnout. Take calculated risks. While doing this, keep a close eye on the time. If you're feeling productive, then take the risk of skipping your break and continuing with the next chunk, but make sure not to overdo it. Another thing you can do is start with the most difficult task first. It's proven that we're most productive in the morning, so take advantage of that. Start with the most difficult chapters in the morning when you have the most energy, and finally, take calculated risks. If you have less work compared to others, then try finishing your syllabus earlier. By doing this, you'll have ample time for revision later. Now that you know how to manage your time, let's move on to the third point: smart study techniques. Using smart techniques will help you to understand better and remember what you've studied. It's very important to understand that this video is not about drowning in books. We don't want you to spend all your time reading. That's why we suggest using smart techniques. They'll help you grasp information quickly and also remember it till your exams. One of the smartest ways to study is by making mind maps. Mind mapping helps you visualize information. It also improves your concentration and memory recall. Not only that, but it also improves your creativity and problem-solving skills. Here's how to make a mind map. First, write the topic in the middle of the page. Draw a circle around it. Now draw lines from the center circle to the keywords. Connect ideas with different colored pens. You can also use different shapes. Doing this will help you to remember better. Another way to study smarter is by making flashcards. Flashcards are one of the most effective ways to study. They help you to memorize information quickly. So here's how to make flashcards. Take a deck of cards or make sets of cards, cut them into equal parts. On one side of the card, write the question, and on the other side, write the answer. Now start reading the question. Try remembering the answer without looking. If you forget, turn the card over and read the answer. Keep practicing until you remember. You can also use applications like Quizlet and Google Sheets to make flashcards digitally. Another way to study smarter is by summarizing. Summarizing will help you to understand better. It will also help you to remember for a long period of time. So here's how to summarize. Read the whole chapter. Now highlight the key points in the notes. After that, reread the paragraph and write the summary in your own words. You can also make a summary in bullet points. Doing this will give you clarity and will help you to remember better. Lastly, don't forget to revise. Most of the students make the mistake of not revising. They think that once they're done with the syllabus, they'll start preparing. This is wrong. Revise what you study weekly. This will help you to improve your long-term memory and will also help you to remember till your exams. So here's how to revise. Revise within a week after you finish the topic. Try teaching it to someone else. If you're an adult, you can teach it to yourself. By doing this, you'll understand better and will also remember for a long time. These were the three ways to cover your full syllabus easily. If you want to become successful in life, then you must remember these tips. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then hit that like button right now. Also, we have some more videos on covering your syllabus. The link is in the description. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed yet, then what are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to never miss out on our videos. Before we end this video, we want to tell you something. To become successful in life, you must be consistent. Consistency is the real secret to success. If you want to achieve big goals, then you must be consistent. In the next episode of the Study Success series, we'll talk about how to concentrate while studying. We all know that studying is incomplete without concentration, so the next episode is going to be very helpful. So make sure to subscribe if you haven't done it yet. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.